Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, back from vacation and ready to hit these markets again. For those of you that trade all the time, I cannot recommend to you enough that, at least once a year. That's about what I do. At least once a year, you got to take a little time off, recharge your batteries, and come back. All of this will be here when you get back. So, just my little piece of advice to you. Okay, so what happened while I was gone? We went below the lower band for a couple of days, got it back, and then, I was saying in the room while I was gone, we're going to go to middle band, we're going to go to middle band. The issue is what happens when we get to middle band. Either it was going to be resistance, we're going to come back down and be a market that wants to trade between the middle band and the lower band, which for me is a sell rallies rather mentality, or do we get back over the middle band and try to go to work on new highs? Right now, the advantage is definitely toward the bulls to grind up and go to work on new highs. The last hurdle they have to get over is the 1866 to 1867 area. That's this area here. The high from the 9th was 66.5. The high from the 10th was 67.5. The price before the last FOMC meeting, the pre-price before the interest rate announcement, on the day that Yellen gave her press conference was 66.25. So 66.67 is important. I tweeted out this morning, and I've been saying in the room, and I was saying to my subscribers in the subscriber webcast last night, which is a much more detailed version of what I do in the mornings, but that's just for the subscribers. If we get over 67, if we start to print 68, then I fully expect a grind higher to new highs. I don't think we'll rocket ship to new highs. I do think we'll grind to new highs. It's the kind of grind that will make you want to overtrade it on the short side for 20 to 25 handles. So just keep that in the back of your mind. If we get over 67, we get into the 68, there's really nothing here on the chart to stop us from going up and testing those highs, getting through the upper band. The bears have had every opportunity. Their last opportunity comes in the 66-67 area. If they can turn it around and come down and make new lows, I really think then there is little to nothing to stop them from going down and bouncing off the 200-day exponential moving average. So the bulls have the advantage, but they're not out of the woods yet. I would be looking for today. I would be looking for that morning low. I would be looking for a retest of the middle band of the 52 area on any kind of a significant dip, and I would look for dip buyers to come in there. It's too easy of a level now to pick off that if we come back into it, that's probably a nice place with a reasonable stop if you want to get involved on the long side for a move up to at least to test 67. That's a nice entry area. What I would be leery of is a pop from here up to 67 that fails. Okay, and if that happens, you really have to stay out of on the long side and wait and see if they can come in and grab it somewhere, either at 52 or above. So just be leery of any fails in the 66-67 area. You want to be involved on any kind of price rejection off the 52 that looks like serious support. Okay, I will be out tonight with with an evening recap. I'll be out tomorrow morning with another webcast. Follow us on PrincetonTrader.com and check us out. Follow us on Twitter at PrincetonTrader. We're going to get all the content started up today. We'll get some charts going. We'll get everything back up and running the way it should be. And come and check out the chat room. They were just nailing it while I was gone. Such a fantastic team in there, and I really like you. Come and meet them, come check them out. It's a lot more than me. It's a heck of a lot more than me. And, those guys do some really good work every day, and I'm proud to be able to trade with them. Okay, I will check everybody out tonight, tomorrow morning, and thrilled to be back. Trade them well, everybody.